Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to see blocked numbers and contacts on your iPhone. It's a simple process, so let's get right to it. First, you'll need to open the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're there, scroll all the way down until you find Phone. Tap on it to open the phone settings. Now within the phone settings, scroll down again, almost to the very bottom, until you see Blocked Contacts. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you'll see a list of all the numbers and contacts that you've currently blocked on your iPhone. If you want to unblock any of these, it's super easy. Just swipe left on the number or contact you want to unblock, and then tap the unblock button that appears. Boom, they're removed from the blocked list. Once you've unblocked the contacts, you can exit out of the Settings application. Now, let's open either the Contacts app or the Phone application and navigate to the Contacts section. Find the contact that you just unblocked. Scroll all the way to the bottom of their contact card, and you should now see an option that says, Block Caller. This confirms that they are no longer blocked, and you can now communicate with them just like you normally would. And that's it. That's how you can easily view and unblock numbers and contacts on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tips and tricks.